Hi, everybody. George Chamberlin here. Happy to talk with you on this Thursday morning. It is the 1st of September. And now that we have the month of August behind us, I thought we'd talk a little bit about the stock market and what it's done over a period of time in here, because I think this is really important. You get caught up in the headlines, and the media will always tell you about how bad things are. For instance, this past month of August was a terrible month. We had the NASDAQ down 6.4%, the S&P 500 down 5.7%. The NASDAQ was down 6.4%, S&P 500 down 5.7%, and the Dow down 4.4%. But we ended the month on a nice streak. We have been up in 7 of the last 8 trading sessions. That's short-term stuff. You really have to kind of look at the stock market from a longer-term perspective. Come on over here, Mike. I want to take a look at a chart. This goes back 5 years. And right in here, would be about October of 2007. And the Dow Jones Industrial Average peaked at an all-time high there, back around 14,000. Wow, look what happened after that. We started moving to the tough times. We saw that the economy was really in trouble. The housing market was really plunging. So this takes us into 2008, and then we drop all the way back here in, this would be March 9th of 2009. That's not even 3 years ago, folks. The Dow, 14,000 here, 6,547. Created a great buying opportunity. Take a look at what we've done since then. Steadily moving higher, a little bit of bump in here, moving higher, bump in here recently, the last 2 or 3 months. But now you can see the direction here. See that little arrow there is pointing up a little bit. We're at about 11,613 now as we start off the month of September. But again, going from 6,500 to 11,600 in less than 3 years is a pretty heady move. Basically, what this just tells you is that stock prices will fluctuate. They go up, they go down. But historically, the long-term opportunities are to seize when you get a chance, like to buy at 6,500, and to realize that if you are using your 401k or other types of tools, you can dollar cost average into this market. That's really what the key is, and then leave it alone, let it go. You'll come out of this thing okay. Don't get caught up in the minutia. Listen to what CNBC and all the other folks have to say. Just stay focused on what you're doing. If you've got time to let that money work, it'll do a great job for you. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlain. Have a good one.